Right, well, 1.6 diesel Honda CR-V, which is a 2013, and doing service and needs to do the diesel filter on this car. Now, this is a diesel filter, what it looks like on these, and you can search this engine bay for half an hour to try and find it. Earth Dreams technology engine, I can tell you it's not a dream to do these filters. This is obviously the hand primer on top, nice and easy to access. The filter is buried right down the back of the engine. You can't get to it from the top, you have to go from the bottom. It is bolted on with these two locators, and this is pushed up into a rubber bung. These are just obviously little hose clamps that go on. This is a pain of a job to do. I've seen a few of these in now where these are broken down because this hasn't been changed. When people had services, you can see why. So we'll get underneath, get the under tray off, and we'll have a look at what we've got. Right, so underneath, taking off our filter, and if you look up in there, you can see two bolts. Those two bolts are the bolts that hold the filter on. Obviously on the bottom, you've got the water sensor, which plugs in. That's the plug for it here. You need to unplug this plug, just pushes in there. What you then have is on the top of that filter, you've got the line in and the line out, which you can't undo really until you've undone the bolts and drop the filter down, and then you can sort of go through here to get the tubes off. You will get diesel coming down, it's inevitable, but you cannot get to that filter from the top. So we'll undo these two bolts, that one and that one, get the connector disconnected, and then we'll come back. Right, so I've undone our bolts, and now we've pulled the unit down. You can see we've got on top our clamps. So now I need to undo those two clamps, but you've got a bit of room to play. Undo these two, and then you can pull them off. You're going to get diesel spillage. Try and put something underneath it. So undo, pull off, and then pull the filter out. So we'll get that done now, and then we'll get the new one connected up. Right, so get out the old filter, unscrew the bottom water sensor, screw it into the new one, and then put it back up. Connect your pipes back up, and then you need to push up and bolt up your bolts. Obviously you're going to get diesel spillage, so it's a good idea to give yourself a bit of brake cleaner, clean off the excess, and then put your under tray back on, and then we're going to go up in the engine bay and bleed it. Right, back in the engine bay, go with your primer, pump, until this goes rock hard. And once it goes rock hard, get in, start it up, should go first time without any problems. That's how you do diesel filter on your 1600 CR-V diesel. Good luck.